Hello and welcome back to the second part in this series, where we explain step by step how to start a business in the US. If you have not seen the first part, please go to our channel and you will find it there. In this second part of our series on setting up a US company as a non-resident, we're going to delve into the practical aspects of the planning stage. Let's get right into it. We'll break this planning stage down into 8 critical steps. 1. Choosing your company name. The first step is to select a name for your company. It's important to ensure your chosen name isn't already taken or too similar to an existing US company. Remember, you can't share a name with another company within the same product or service sector. Also, it's crucial to ensure your name doesn't infringe on any registered trademarks. 2. Deciding on your business entity. It is vital to understand the 2 main types of U.S. business entities that are available for the non-U.S. resident: the business corporation and the limited liability company, or LLC. Let's take a deep dive. A business corporation, also known as a company limited by shares, is a legal entity separate from its owners, the shareholders. This separation provides the shareholders with limited liability, meaning their personal assets are protected from any losses the corporation may incur. Corporations are typically governed by a board of directors elected by the shareholders. The board appoints the corporation's officers who manage the day-to-day operations. The corporate profits are usually distributed to the shareholders in the form of dividends. Consider that corporations must comply with more regulations and tax requirements than other business entities. They are subject to what is known as double taxation, where the corporation's profits are taxed at the corporate level and then again on the shareholders' income tax when distributed as dividends. An LLC is a flexible form of enterprise that combines the limited liability of a corporation with the tax benefits and operational flexibility of a partnership. Owners of an LLC, known as members, may include individuals, corporations, other LLCs, and foreign entities. One of the key advantages of an LLC is the pass-through taxation. Unlike corporations, LLCs are not subject to double taxation unless they choose to be treated as a corporation for tax purposes. The profits and losses pass through to the members who report them on their personal income tax returns. Unlike a corporation, an LLC doesn't require a board of directors or annual meetings, which makes them less formal and easier to manage. Deciding whether to form a corporation or an LLC depends on multiple factors such as the type of business, financing needs, the level of desired maintenance, and tax implications. Because the rules and benefits can vary from state to state, it's vital to conduct a detailed review of the state laws or consult with a legal or business advisor to determine which entity is the best fit for your business. Remember, making the right choice in the beginning can save you time, money, and complications in the future. So take your time and do your homework. 3. Where to incorporate your U.S. company. Once you've chosen your business's location, it's time to decide where to incorporate. You have the freedom to incorporate in any state, but remember, incorporating in a different state from where your business operates can be more expensive. There are many points to consider, and it is important enough that we cover this topic in another video. I'll include the link in the description. Make sure to watch it. Determining company capitalization. The 4th step involves deciding on the company's capitalization, how many shares at what par value, and how much each shareholder will contribute as their capital contribution. 5. Establishing roles and responsibilities. Next, you need to define the roles and responsibilities of the company's officers and directors. Officers are responsible for the day-to-day operation of the company, while the board of directors governs the corporation, sets priorities, and appoints officers. 6. Identifying shareholders, officers, and directors. Finally, you need to determine who will serve as shareholders, officers, and directors. It's crucial to carefully consider who you trust to take on these roles. To wrap it up, each of these steps play a vital role in setting up a U.S. company as a non-resident. Remember, this guide is meant to serve as a general overview and should not replace professional legal advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more business insights and part 3 of this series. As always, if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop by our website at usacorporate.com, where we have experienced live chat to assist you. Thank you for watching.